Do you have leftover paint cans in your garage, basement, or closet? It's kind of like an old boyfriend or girlfriend just hanging around. You can't seem to get rid of them. It's illegal to put them in the landfill, and no one wants them. The paint can, that is. Until now. Atlanta Paint Disposal will dispose of your paint in a responsible manner, recycling any useful liquid paint and properly disposing of the paint that's no longer good enough to be used. With low fees and convenient drop-off locations, you now have the choice of taking it to a retail drop-off location, or an APD driver will come out to your house or business and pick it up. It works out great because you don't even have to be home. You simply set your paint cans outside of your garage or carport on your scheduled pickup day, and they remove it without interrupting your life. The driver will count down all of your paint cans, and then the office will run your credit card and send over an itemized receipt, showing you exactly how much they picked up. Call, click, or visit them today, online at atlantapaintdisposal.com.